Coming to the milk, sir, what we have thought is that milk is the only food item which gives all the nutrition to a
Right.
human. So now you are saying scientifically,
Yes.
these are the things, but what we need to follow actually. Like we are taught in a way that
Right.
we need to, sir, for complementing other nutrient, we need to take milk. So
Right.
most of them,
Right.
like sports person also used to
Right,
take
right.
more of milk, no sir, to gain, to get energy.
Whey protein and all that, yes. So again, milk does contain certain nutrients in it, obviously. I'm not denying that, I'm not saying that, oh, milk contains no nutrients. No, milk contains calcium, milk contains some vitamin A in it, milk even contains some vitamin C, it contains a good amount of protein in it. But you see, these things, just because it contains some good things, does not mean that we should turn a blind eye to the negative things it also may have. As I said about the lactose, the casein, there's something called galactose found in milk, and the galactose can actually leach calcium from your bones and actually make your bones weaker. I'll show it to you. Our country is one of the countries that drinks the most amount of milk on earth. But you see, in our country, the rate of fractures and joint pain and bone disease is extremely high. And if we visit a doctor asking them why we have this, the doctor recommends us to take calcium supplements. And I'm asking the question, if milk is supposed to give me calcium and I've been drinking milk all my life and then I get bone pain and I visit the doctor and he's giving me calcium supplements, what on earth is going on? Didn't I drink milk to get calcium in the first place? The thing is that galactose is a nutrient found in milk that actually leaches calcium from your bones, doesn't do good. So how to replace, you ask me? Well, think about, as I told you, we have for calcium other stuff. See, instead
But commercially it will be more expensive, right? So like
not exactly. See, milk right now, I agree, milk and dairy products you buy in the supermarket are cheap because they are heavily subsidized by the government. Okay, if milk was not
sir, I'm not arguing with you, sir. If I take 1 liter of milk, it costs only 20, maybe 40 rupees.
Right, correct.
But for a layman to compensate other, it will be more expensive, right?
It depends on what you're eating, right?
Sir, then also to gain, to yield that much of energy,
But
minerals.
rice, dal, and vegetables are not expensive.
No, sir. But in milk, we get more amount of that, no, sir.
Not exactly. First, there are two things here. I understand here. One is that more does not mean better. You may ingest 100 grams of protein, but your body will only absorb the necessary it needs, and it will excrete the rest out. That is what's happening. So eating more doesn't mean that your body. See, if really eating more protein gave us muscles, it means that if all of us ate more chicken and more beef and protein supplements, we should all look like a bodybuilder. But no, you eat that, you get fat and sick if you don't exercise, because more protein doesn't translate to more muscle or more energy. Your body will only take what it needs. What your body needs can be easily obtained from plants, and you don't have to eat that much as you think. It doesn't. See, if I can just get like a few vegetables, some dal, 2 cups of dal and 2 cups of rice, I can eat for a day and still meet all my nutritional needs. It's not that complicated. It's not expensive either. As I told you, the more poorer a country is, in our country, the poor people, what do you think they eat? Rice, dal, veg. Even when you go to these government shops where they sell poor people food, they don't sell non-veg and milk there. They sell what? Basically again rice and dal and some vegetables, maybe some salt, sugar and oil, which is obviously not the best for health. But that's what they sell. Vegan food is cheap. Poor people eat vegan food. Vegan food is not a poor man's diet. But poor people eat vegan food because plant food is cheaper. And your body will only absorb what it needs. Just because you eat more doesn't mean your body will absorb it. It will take only what it wants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the information.